showed you some milestones as into when the Roma modular switches was first launched, then metal plates, then accessories for hospitality industry, bringing us to Roma Color launch today. We would also like to show you a little preview of the 3D mapping that we have in store. That is how we are planning to launch the product over here. Some of you must have seen you outside.
Lighting up your lives with its wiring devices for more than 50 years, now transforms as a company with new drive, zeal and humility of a young organization with a desire to offer its customers the best products, services and solutions. Anchor started its journey with a noble vision of manufacturing electrical products of outstanding quality, and is synonymous with the values of trust, safety,
But before I begin to tell you about what the product is, I'll take you back a little bit to history. Now, if you have seen this slide before this, you see that Roma was launched in 1993. Now, the one that is on the slide, you see there's a blue outer frame, there's a red inner frame, and then there's a white accessories. Now, what usually in standard products you see is only two colors on the face, on the product face, but here you can see three products. This is because of the unique design of Roma. Roma has got an additional color, which we have covered in this case, in the example that you're seeing right now, we have colored it as red. So what Roma does is it gives you an option of having three colors on your wiring devices. And with the three color options, what you can do is you can create as many color options that you want to suit your interior requirements. Now, what we have done is, if you see here, we got a cover plate, we got an inner frame which is red in color, and there's an accessory which is white in color. Now these are basically three items. Now what we have done is, with the innovative product design, we have offered you 7 colors in cover plates. We have given 8 colors in inner frames and 3 colors of accessories. That is 3 colors of accessories in the sense you got white, silver and black, and you got cover plates in 7 colors and inner frames in 8 colors.
Which introduced 50-year back. Then same Roma, launched in 1992, 91, 92. Almost a 21-year-old. Today we have got around 16,000 dealers all India. Out of that, around 6,000 dealers directly purchase material from company. 6,500 dealers purchase material from the company directly. So, distribution all open. Let any dealer place an order which supplies the material. So because we have a pan-India presence, any part of India, our Anchor or Roma available. So no need to appoint a distributor. No need. Let us give material to everybody. Those who are selling Roma today, Roma White, dealers, pan-India, they only sell Anchor. But we don't have any exclusive brand shop at this moment. Many MNCs and many Indian companies. Many Indian companies also. So every brand is competitor today. This is a very good question. Good question asked to our anchor guy. Very good question. Because we are treated as the only switch making company. But somebody asking question for solar. Thank you very much. Yes, Panasonic for last so many years are in solar. 3 years back, Panasonic has taken over one company called Sanyo. You know Sanyo? Yeah. Panasonic took over one company called Sanyo. They merged this company with Panasonic. Sanyo #1 worldwide in battery, not solar energy, but preserving the batteries, preserving the energy, holding the energy. So very soon, we have in India particularly, if you can take the switches, normally the switches was ivory color. If you recall, 10 years back if you go, all switches were ivory color. Even Anchor was selling ivory color switches. But in 2001 or 2 maybe, we introduced Penta white, first time. So from that time onwards, white started coming in India. But during